church pew. It's the living room area. There's the garage. Oh, sorry about pantry. Living room. We got the kitchen. A little bit messy right now. Just got the fridge in. It's the backyard. This is the kids playroom. Down. And there's the basement. This is my wife's office. Upstairs. A bunch of linens. We gotta figure out what we're gonna put. New washer dryer combo. A lot bigger than I thought. But it'll get, we just got it in now. It'll be slid over. Baby's room. Guest room. This is my office. Master, again, it's messy. Fan. We have like a little, let's turn this on. Got a little sitting area over here. So I'll just pull. Yeah, we're still in the, like right now we just have everything where it needs to be, but it's not put away where it needs to be yet. It's the bathroom. Nice shower. Double vanity. And again, we haven't put clothes away yet. This is the walk-in closet. Toilet. We have shower. Double head with a bench.